March 16th, 2024. Just after 10 p.m., multiple 911 calls flood dispatchers in Macomb, Illinois. Neighbors report hearing a woman screaming from inside an apartment complex, but no one knows exactly what's happening behind the door. As officers rush to the scene, they prepare for what appears to be a domestic disturbance, but inside, a nightmare is unfolding. A terrified mother, a violent attacker, and a 4-year-old boy are trapped in a situation that will spiral out of control in a matter of seconds. The 4-year-old kid is accidentally shot by the cop, and this is where it gets totally messy.
No! 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 No!
We need lifeguard. We need lifeguard now. We have one kid down. One adult male down.
What do you mean, Jake? 113, contact 105, 116.
You're all right. You want to put on the calls?
But I need my baby. Okay, I need you to sit down. Go around back.
Hey, are you good?
No, I'm not.
Do you want me to stick with you? Talk to me, brother. Are they secure there?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just going to hang out with you, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Listen, I'm right here with you, okay? Do you want to sit or you want to keep it? You want to stand? Hey. Listen. Hey, look at me. Decisions were made that were out of your control, okay? You did what you did. I don't know what happened, okay? So I don't want to go into it. But listen, trust that you made the right call, okay? To protect you and yours, okay? Don't question your judgment. Don't do that to yourself. You can't control what other people do and the decisions that they make. Know that. Know that whatever happened, you acted with your training and experience, okay? And you had to handle things, okay? Sir, Cadet, hold on. Where you headed?
Who's involved? You? Okay. Anybody else here?
Yeah.
Anybody else with you at the time?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah. What's going on?
Domestic here.
113 Central.
Go ahead.
Go ahead for 113.
116. 550 is wanting to know if there's any more medical attention needed at the scene.
I honestly don't know. I withdrew myself from it, so I know Terrell Miller had been stabbed, and then I shot the suspect and the baby.
Wait. I'm getting here late. You shot the suspect?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let's have a seat now. Here, come on to my car. All right, here, have a seat here, man.
This is still running.
The car? Oh, yeah. All right. How many shots should I remember? Okay. Let me just hang tight right here, and let me find out what's going on. And you said the suspect was hit and a baby? Okay. Let me find out what's going on. Sit tight. Is there anybody in the apartment now? Do we know?
As far as
Police?
Yeah.
Okay. Sit tight, I'm gonna run inside there. Is 9:15?
Go around the back.
Okay. Hey, I'm sorry. Part of it, okay? We're gonna get you a off scene.
I need my nephews in there. I need my nephew out there. Well, I'm not leaving until I get my nephew. Okay, can you get my nephew out of there? Okay, that's beside the point. That's my sister and my nephew's in there, and I want him out here with me. There's no reason you can tell me no, sir. My nephew does not need to be in a crime scene. So can you please walkie-talkie them to give me my nephew? Please and thank you. Hey, I need my nephew. We're here for my nephew. It's a crime scene. I need my nephew.
Okay, where is he at?
He's in the house. My sister just got stabbed in her house, and they took him to the hospital. I need my nephew. Barry is in the hospital. He told me there was nothing else to do. That's what he just told me. So who do I need to talk to get my nephew?
Yeah, I know you got a lot going on. Was there a boy in there?
Yeah.
Okay. His family's here at the line. That's what they're... She's here to come get him. Okay, so
He's
gone.
Okay. So
tell them as soon as we can, we're gonna get them some help. Best I could tell, correct me at any point if I'm wrong. Domestic.
Okay.
Kiana Miller was stabbed.
Okay.
There's a deceased adult male that's naked and a deceased child.
Okay.
Pierced gunshot wounds.
He stabbed him in the head.
He stabbed him in the head and then
No,
shot the
him.
guy.
Yep.
Okay.
Where's he at?
They're both in the
Who's he?
number
The
6
shot.
in the back.
The dead people are in 915.
So OIS.
On the back.
OIS, go around the backside. There's officers on the backside.
Is anybody notified state police or anything?
Yes. Yeah. Jordan is getting them spun up right now to have the state police show up and take it over.
Okay. They're already. All shots are accounted for. Gok's taken care of.
I'm going to take Gok and Cameron to the PD, and I'll handle stuff from there.
Nick's on his way there right now. I'm gonna
Okay.
call him and have him meet you.
Tom, this is going to be your scene. I'm going to take care of them.
Okay.
Boy was stabbed and died with a male, I guess. And then Gok put the male down.
Yep.
Okay. So where's the male?
In
In there
upstairs.
next to the kid. Okay.
You good, brother? I know. All right. Hey, Nick's gonna be up there with you. Okay. All right. You're good. You're good. You're gonna be good. You're gonna be all right. You're gonna be all right, buddy. You're all right. You're all right. You're okay. Nick's gonna be up there. All right. We're gonna take care of this.
Follow me. Somebody notified 7